Let's just record it, right? Hello everybody. It's been a while since I posted anything on this channel, and the channel name is changing to just my name. And I know I used to do like unboxing videos and different reviews of stuff, and I'll probably still do reviews. I'm going to talk a little bit about travel hacks and tips and things like that. Over the last couple of years, I was in a startup that had to do with the travel industry and getting dope-ass trips and just finding the best spots that you could go to. So I want to talk a little bit about travel hacks and stuff like that, but then also photography, cinema stuff, kind of just anything that's going on. And yeah, this is just, I guess I'd call it an update on where the hell I've been. I'm in a new space now. I'm still in Los Angeles. But then later this year I might be moving to somewhere else. I'm not sure, so the environment might change. But for now, we're here. So welcome back to the channel, and let's do this thing.